Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be quickly running through the feature set that's been highlighted in the crates generator videos that was recently published. First, let me say that the Houdini tool is absolutely amazing. Being able to generate rather complicated geo that if you were going to be going through traditional tools, ahem, playing with points and doing a lot of merging of dots, points all over the place, you wouldn't be able to get this kind of thing done, not in the comparable time that you're getting it done with Houdini. Now that we've done all that praise for the tool, we've got an issue here whereby when we're trying to be able to get the actual geo, so let's go over to Houdini and actually look on the actual tool itself. So here we have the crate generator as detailed within the video. So we're probably halfway through and we're happy with the feedback, the visual feedback that we're getting within the tool while previewing the results of the actual graph network. So really quite good. However, when you get to the point where you're saying, okay, I want to export the actual separate pieces. So we got the top and the bottom. This is the bottom of the crate. I could go ahead and actually do the merge as detailed, and this is what I'll get, and that's perfect. Looking at it like this is great, but when we get into Unity, we're being told that we should be able to separate the top crate from the bottom part of the crate. So what we've been told to do is make sure that we clone the actual SOC network and then package it up in an HDA, which I've done. And then when I get over to Houdini, if I try to go through the actual crate generator HDA itself, this is what I get, and it's perfect. You can see that you have the separate parts of the actual object coming through, and you can move them about independently, and that's great. However, while going through the PDG, so if I try to actually replicate the same thing through the PDG, just show you what we've got here. I've got a network that's generating a level, and after it generates a level, I'm saying go ahead and run the crate generator. So it's pointing at the exact same HDA, right? And I say, okay, fine. Every time I change anything, I'll just come inside here and I'll dirty this node. So let's dirty and cook. Let's give it a second to actually do the processing. And what I'm finding is that I can get the top and bottom part of the node combined coming through, but the workaround that's supposed to work in Unity is not functioning on the same HDA. So I'll get the bottom part of the crate and the top will just not be there. And obviously if it's working, if you're using it as detailed within the actual module itself that the trainer was going through, yeah, it's giving different results. So the question is this particular feature not supposed to be going through the HDA processor, or is this a bug that we need to get somebody to actually have a look on? So let's have it do its thing. Matter of fact, let me just terminate that for a second. So when dirt is selected, I'm going to disconnect it from the network, and I just want that to actually cook. We'll go ahead and pause and wait on it to actually pick up once it completes. Okay, so it's just finished cooking, just the actual crate generator itself. And let's see what actually comes back within the Houdini itself. There you go. So it's only showing the top part of the bottom part of the box. I'm not gonna kill this to death. I think you've got the idea. If somebody could kindly get back to us to let me understand whether or not I shouldn't be passing this through the actual HDA processor, or if there's a special way to actually get it done. because clearly the actual bringing the actual HIP file in, or the actual HDA directly into Unity and splitting it works perfectly, right? You can see it there. But going through the HDA processor, it's bringing through either a merged copy of the objects, or a single part of the geometry and the other part is actually being left off. Right? Thanks again. Hope you can get back to you soon with some kind of a workaround.